What's up, YouTube, Instagram, Major League Mac, back on deck with another one. Man, I'm here at the Peoria Civic Center for yet another car show. Lisa Ray made this thing. Today, I also shot the intro to my new YouTube channel. Y'all gotta tap in, man, but check it out. Y'all gotta check it. Yeah. That's how P-Town get down, man. It's an indoor show. It ain't the biggest show. Boy, it's a lot of cars. It's a lot of cars here, man. Y'all see Lisa over there, though. We gonna go by Lisa. We gonna go by Lisa. Yeah. Y'all know the Holy Trinity is a Camaro, a Charger, and a Chevelle. Not Charger. Yeah, Charger. I got the Charger. I just need my Camaro. I got the Chevelle. It is. Nice there. Look at this old Batman Charger. Crazy. Crazy. Excuse me. You good? Go ahead, I'm sorry. Look at that thing. Look at that damn Freddy Cougar G. That's dope as hell. What's up, homie? That's dope as hell. Dope. That big boy Triz up. Crazy. Look at that damn thing, man. Crazy. I can't stop. I gotta keep getting this motherfucker. Sheesh. That Camaro thing. Guts. I like that. That's dope. That's dope. This old Corvette, man. Y'all see Lisa in that background. Y'all see her over there. Y'all see her over there. We're gonna get back to her though. I ain't gonna lie. I like this green on this truck. I love that green. And whoever painted it put that shit on there. Sheesh. I like the color on this too. Whoever shot this, man, got a crazy wet sand and buff game. Crazy. That thing's slick as snot. Some more Corvettes. This thing right here, he say color is black rose. Whew. This thing nice. And that's a factory color. I ain't never seen that color. Look at this. What's up? Up your hair tough too. Ooh-wee. This is a super nice car. This old Willie's car. That thing's nice. Gorgeous, man. Gorgeous display too. Gorgeous display. 41 Willys. 41 Willys. Cool. Gosh, that thing is nice. I love the purple on that thing. On that Malibu. Nice cars down here. This thing, 85 Regal. That thing like completely done up. There's a lot of real show cars down here, people. A lot of real show cars, man. Look at this one. Swivel buckets in it. Beautiful, man. Gold plated all over. Got that Buick sign lit up. That's dope. That was a nice touch. Look at all the damn batteries. I used to be heavy into these low riders. That's crazy. Crazy. There she go, y'all. Lisa Ray, the Peoria Civic Center. Golly. That paint looks so damn good. That paint looks so damn good. That bottle in there. Who want to race? Who wants some pride? It's crazy. I couldn't miss it, man. I couldn't miss it. I still got an event to go to after this. Oh boy, she is gorgeous. Got the truck. And some booty. Golly. I ain't in the snow bunnies before. But there's Camaro. They brought the bikes out. Look at that motherfucker. They brought them biz lights out. 69 Camaro, baby. See, you see them big slicks on there? This motherfucker mean business. He'll mean business. I can't wait. I wouldn't mind having an orange one with white stripes. Even though I'm a black and white stripe kind of guy, I wouldn't mind having one like that. Sheesh. Look at this motherfucker. Black get me every time. I ain't even a Nova guy, but gosh, man, don't touch my shit. I need one of them signs. I might ask him to buy one of them. Don't touch my shit. Look at this GTO. Golly. Sheesh. Golly. Monte Carlo SS. What would a car show be without one? Beautiful car, man. Beautiful car. Beautiful car. Sheesh. Nice. Crazy fade on that thing. What you got under that hood? Supercharged too, man. The fuck is that, man? There it is. It's nice. Super nice. Little dash. Super nice, man. Super nice. You always got one of these with the patina. I wonder if that's the natural patina on it, or if it's well, they made it to look like that. I like it when they look like that already. Blazer. Nice hair too. Super nice. Excuse me. Nice. Good old Indian. That's Indian right there. I know this car content, but come on, man. I think most car guys appreciate bikes too. Well, people, that was all the cars over here, man. And I think the award ceremony probably about another hour. Man, I'm gonna get up out of here. If I win something, I'll let y'all know what I win. My homie got to pull up and park, man. I gotta attend, at least show face for. But the car broke down today, man. But y'all get the details about that later, man. Those the lures, the red Chevy Chevelle. I was doing a photo shoot today, a video for the YouTube channel. That thing broke down, but it's all good. When Lisa Ray get up out of here, then I'm gonna go ahead and Get some more pictures. Old Major League Mac walked away with that best paint, man, to all the nothing. Honestly, man, I ain't think I was gonna walk away with nothing, man. You know what I'm saying? So it's been a pleasure. Everybody loading up. About to get out of this thing. Shit's crazy, you dig? I ain't think we was gonna get nothing today, man, other than top 75. It's easy to get top 75 and it's only 75 cars present. But we got that thing, man. Y'all know what it is. I'm on my way to my partner Jack's birthday set. Pull up in park, man. We about to kill this thing. Later on.